welcome to the post-match presentation. This is Dr. T20 Premier Cricket League Hyderabad Season 1, and what a match we had. What a start of the tournament. To begin with this presentation, first of all, I would like to request the captain of Super Kings 13 to please come here for a quick chat. Dr. Yamini Chandra. Hard luck. Tell us about this match.
Yeah, actually, our boys we played well, but the thing is that a couple of drop carries have cost us the game, and we should have converted the singles to twos in the middle over, but it didn't go our way. But anyways, their bowling was good on this wicket, so we promise that we'll come back hard tomorrow. And yeah, boys, keep yourself high. We are beginning tomorrow. And congrats. Sir, you guys have bowled very well.
And the power play, the way your team has got the openers, why couldn't it go further from the...
Actually, we thought left and right combination would have worked, and our one-down batsman Chandan is actually a hard hitter, and if at least he would have scored 2 or 3 boundaries, we should have been in the other end at the end of the game. And then, and as I told, the wicket also suddenly started slowing down, and there was no bounce, and they bowled cleverly, and that outplayed us from the game.
And how is your experience of playing in this tournament, the first match?
Actually, from the last year, what I observed the change now is the fitness levels have improved from all the doctors. So it's been super.
Well, thank you very much, and all the best for the next matches. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
How did you pull it through?
Yeah, it was a great match. Basically, the first, the power play, it didn't go our way the way we wanted it to. So, but we came back really hard. Our spinners have done excellent here, starting with Yedukul, who has given the excellent break in the 6th over. So, with that, the slowness of the pitch, and also has helped our spinners who have bowled to their feet. And it was a good team effort. Excellent boys. We'll keep continuing this innings.
And 170 for 8. Did you think that was good enough to defend on this ground?
Yeah, we always thought 160 should be a good score to defend, so that was fine.
And what was it running in your mind when during that perfect 5 overs in the second innings?
Yeah, as I told you, the power play was really, we were a little bit down there, but it was a good comeback from us. Definitely, they have taken the game away in the power plays, those hitting and those. However, the pace bowling was, they had played great shots.
Well, wonderful. You pulled it very well. A wonderful game. And congratulations on the winning, and all the best for the rest of the matches. And thank you very much for having a chat with us. Now I request Mrs. Anjali Pendala Garu onto the stage, and also the director of Yashoda Hospitals, Somajiguda. He's also the senior orthopedic surgeon, very much doctor, for joining us. Now it's time for the first match's AD11 hero of the match, and that goes to Hari Prakash for his wonderful performance with the ball. 4 wickets, 4 overs, 20 runs, and hero of the match. Very well bowled.
Thank you.
So, what motivated you there?
Hitting the pitch. It's a wonderful pitch to bowl, especially for spinners, especially from the other end. The bounce was not that high, so just bowl your lines, you'll get your wicket.
And that's what you followed, just the line and the bowling, just the ball did the rest.
Yes.
Finding the stumps on its
Yeah.
pitch and the stumps, but very well bowled. And the way you boys have pulled it through, along with your bowling, the support from the fielders, how is it?
So even if we can bowl good balls, and if they don't take the catches, then it's a waste. Amir has taken a wonderful catch. Santosh has taken a wonderful catch. All the fielding, ground fielding was excellent. Apart from here, few misses, but that is expected. As I said, it's a wonderful team effort, especially from where we have come back. Initially, the power players really played well. The wind also supported them. The ball was new, and it is very difficult to hit the old ball here. So, all in all, we played a wonderful game. Thank you.
Congratulations on winning the Hero Award, and all the best for the future. Thank you very much, Dr. TDR Reddy Garu, and thank you, man.